everyone, my name is Mridula Vibin Nair and today we are going to learn about maps. So, the first is, what is a map? A map is a representation of the earth. We all know that globe is a spherical representation of the earth. Map is a plain, flat representation of the earth. It is on a flat surface as it mentions. Next, it can show countries, continents, cities and even local areas if we want those. The next is the advantages of a map. So there are several advantages of having a map. The first one is it is very easy and simple to handle. The second is it is very easy to carry, as we cannot carry a globe everywhere with us. We can definitely carry a map with us. The next is it is very simple to understand. Maps have connotations which is very easy to understand and it is not complicated. The next is it guides us. The last is it can be used by anyone who, it does not need a specific big term knowledge to access maps. The next is types of maps. So today we will learn about four types of maps. The first is political map. What is a political map? Political maps are those maps which shows boundaries of administrative units such as countries, states, cities. So we can see here an example of political map of India. Here you can see the borders of the countries like China, Nepal, Pakistan, as well as borders of states within the countries, which is Maharashtra, Mumbai you can see marked here, and then you can see Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh. So you can politically see the borders of administrative units. The next is physical map. So here the physical map shows lands and water bodies on surface such as mountain, plateau, plain, rivers, lakes and sea. Physical map shows us physical features of the earth, which is, you can see here as Deccan Plateau is very visible. You can see here the Western Ghats, the river that flows in the root of the rivers. You can see the mountain ranges, you can see the Himalayas over here. So the physical map shows us the physical properties of a place. The next is the climate map. So as it names, the climate map shows weather conditions like temperature, pressure, wind direction and rainfall. These are the maps used by weather reporters usually. So here we can see where and how the wind would flow from which side to which side, the movement of any cyclone, the waves, how the temperature is going to be, the heat waves, or how the rainfall is going to travel through. So it shows us the climate of different areas. So the next is tourist map. Tourist map shows details of places of tourist interest like hill station, beaches, national park, historical monuments and so on. So the tourist maps helps tourists to view places. Here you can see an example of a tourist map of India. Here it is mentioned hill stations. So the points where you can see marks of hill stations. So anybody who wants to travel can easily identify such interest places through the help of tourist maps. Now let's have a small quiz. Can you guess which map is this? It is a physical map of the world. Now here we can see the tourist map. So can you name any two hill stations? So here we can easily identify Panchmati and Mount Abu. Can you identify some beaches? As you can see here, the wavelength of Vishakhapatnam is very easily visible. And where is other beaches? You can also see Kovalam beach over here. So this is how you can identify in a tourist map. So here's a recap of what we did. We learned about what is map, the advantages map, of types of map. The types of map includes political map, physical map, climate map and tourist maps. Thank you so much for listening to me patiently. I hope you understand the concept.